Hi, I'm Kassondra Lundgren. I'm a junior biology major and dance and chemistry minor here at Chapman University in the Schmid College. I'm from Ventura County, so Southern California, not too far. I'm about 2 hours from campus, so perfect distance from home for me. I've been involved in a lot of different clubs and organizations here on campus. I'm the biology major peer advisor, so each major within Schmid has 1 or 2 peer advisors, and I have truly found the experience very rewarding because it's great being able to provide that resource and that form of support for students. And then I'm also a supplemental instructor, so those are students who took the course previously and did well, and then they wanted to help students do the same. So I hold a weekly SI session, and that is just a time for students to come and we do a worksheet, we review the material, they can ask any questions. I have an office hour, and then I am also involved in a sorority. So I'm in Greek life on campus. About 1/3 of the campus is in Greek life, so it's not like a huge thing if you are or not. But it has been a great outlet and opportunity for me to meet a lot more people, a lot of people outside of my major and outside of Schmid too. I'm also in a lot of different clubs on campus, so I'm in some dance clubs like Chapman Dance Alliance and Floor 13. And then I'm also involved in different Schmid-based clubs or more STEMmy academic clubs. I'm also in Schmid Student Leadership Council, so we are a group of students who are able to kind of discuss our opinions or thoughts and ideas with the dean. And this is just a day in my life of what I have found that I love doing and being a part of at Chapman University. Good morning. It's a lovely cloudy morning outside today, but I just packed my lunch and dinner. Got a busy day ahead, so get ready to follow along. So I live at Chapman Grand, and it's really nice to have my own room, my own space, a big kitchen. It's a really fun place to live. There's a really pretty pool too. And the parking structure, my car is just right here, and so the commute's not that bad. And sometimes I choose to take the shuttle. Here's my car. Her name's Tiki. So I'm on my way into medicinal chemistry. I've been learning about the history of drug development and different medications and where we've discovered them and how to make them, different compounds. So it's a very interesting class. But yeah, I'll see you in there. Now I'm on my way to my second class of the day, 10 a.m., philosophy logic. So we have a test on Wednesday, so it's gonna be a little review session. Done with philosophy. Now I'm on my way to a biology peer advisor meeting with Dr. Scherf. Now I'm gonna pick up my quick bite and some caffeine from Starbucks before my next dance class. Thank you. We had evolution from DNA to dinos together. So now I am walking to my jazz dance class. So since I'm a dance minor, there's movement technique classes we have to take and lecture ones, but they're all really fun and they're a great way for me to really explore that passion and that side of me, and a moment of release and some break from all the studying and rigorous coursework that all my classes bring too. So it's a great break in my day. It's 12:45. I'm here first because I like to get here early, but this is the performer's space in Sandy Simon Dance Center. So it's a really pretty room, a great building to just be able to be in and to dance. So yeah, gonna go into jazz, and I wore my Schmidster shirt for the occasion. I bedazzled it myself.
Hey guys, it's Sophie.
And me, I'm Jordan.
And we just finished jazz. Hashtag bio majors.
Just finished jazz and changed. This is the pretty dance building. And now I'm on my way, walking back to main campus for physics. So it's a nice little walk. It's not cloudy anymore, so that's nice.
0.1 meters.
Hey, we just finished physics. Got a test next week. I now host my weekly SI session for Bio 208 Lab. Now I'm at my SI session with all of these lovely students who come hang out. So I do an hour-and-a-half session every week. Students can choose to come and we review the material that they learned in the previous week, and then we go through a worksheet that I provide. I usually bring candy so they can have some kisses or some Starburst, and it's a fun time. Now it's all empty in the room, so hopefully it was helpful and they do good on their quiz. So I just walked out of my session that ends at 5:30, and now I have lab at 6, so walk into Keck. But I have a little bit of a tri-beta meeting, so I'm hoping it's still going on, and we'll see if it's still happening.
Change people's lives. There are plenty of other professions that do that as well.
About to start physics lab. Woohoo! All right, so we just worked on our worksheet in physics lab, and then we're gonna design our experiment that we'll do next week. We just got some snacks and food at Subconnection and Qdoba, and then we're gonna go study for our human physiology lab test tomorrow. Woo! Okay, so we're in a Fowler study room tonight, studying for our human physiology lab test tomorrow. We're gonna crush it. So I'm glad that I was able to get some extra studying in before the test tomorrow because physics lab ended a little early. I usually take night labs. I've taken 2 every semester just because they work with my schedule the best, and they're usually 6 to 10. But now I'm heading to skit practice, which is for my sorority. So I'll see you in there. Hey, this is Ella, our skit chair. Skit is a Greek life competition. It's between all the fraternities and sororities, and it's a lip sync dance battle. And it's gonna be super fun. Done with skit practice. Okay, so just finished skit practice. Normally 10 to midnight, but we finished. Hey! This is my little NAKO. Hey! Yeah. So you run into people all the time. But yeah, that's usually 10 to midnight, but we ended early, which is perfect because now I have Floor 13, which is my hip hop dance club that I'm a part of. We practice 10 to midnight, Monday, Wednesday, normally. But tonight we have elections for all of the executive positions next year, so that's what I'm going into now. We practice in AF. Yeah, if you hear music in AF late at night, that's us. Floor 13, level up or die! All right, just finished Floor 13 practice. It's midnight, but I always love to look at the Keck lights. That's my friend Leah. But the little star constellation up there is very pretty, so I always find it peaceful to look at. Just got back to Chapman Grand to my room. Mondays are my busiest, fullest days. It's midnight, 12:30 right now, so full of fun, full of everything that I love to do at Chapman and being a part of Schmid. So Mondays are a great day. They're one of my favorites. And now I'm gonna do a little bit more studying before my test tomorrow. Thanks for watching my day in the life as a Schmidster. Once a Schmidster, always a Schmidster. And thanks for following along.